Hello everyone, my name is Kiran. Today we are going to discuss about PaaS services, especially serverless compute. Serverless compute means function app, logic app related. And I'm not going to teach here what exactly function app, logic app, those things. Here we are trying to understand few issues related and how to fix it, and requirement wise when trying to deploy, how, what type of issue occurred and how um, that achieve the prevent or fix the issue. We'll try to understand. This is a way this video is I'm hosting here. And before going to start, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and like and click on bell icon whenever release new videos, and automatically you will get the notification. As well as you can post it your generally, if you are working and what type of issues you faced it, or when you are trying to learn what type of issues you faced it, how to fix it. If you already fix it, how to fix it, that also you can share your things here, so that our learners, subscribers to understand their they will increase their knowledge. Even I will increase my knowledge also, guys. Okay, so let's start it with the logic app or function app. Suppose requirement is a like generally, when I deploying the logic app or function app, and must and should require the storage account, guys. So hosting, and you can see under hosting storage account, it's a required. By default, it's going to create a one storage account here. So if you try to deploy as it is, follow the standard, and we won't get the any problem. There is no issue. But coming to now, requirement is a existing storage account. Existing storage account. Already I have one storage account. I want use that storage account only for this logic app also. So this is a cloud Patashala function app like that. It's a one storage account is available, guys. Same storage account, using that I want deploy my logic app. So now let me try to deploy the logic app. So here, one issue definitely occurred. So that one you can observe here. So how we are going to rectify or fulfill the requirement wise. Cloud Patashala L app, that is a logic app. So HTS and workflow, container image are standard or consumption right now, standard only, and it's nothing changes. And hosting here instead of that one, and it's I'm selecting the existing storage account. This is the only thing I'm changing, guys. Remaining everything, it's a I'm following as it is, nothing changes. And even going to monitor, and here monitor wise, it's a I don't want this application insights. I don't want right now. So later on also I will show you this part also, and review and create it. If I'm trying to create a this logic app, what might be the issue and how to rectify it. So we'll try to understand. It won't take much time to deploy the logic app or function app. Just mm, like around max is a 5 minutes, and it will show the error message also. And in between time, I will go to the function app. Okay, I don't want confuse it. Let's wait for this deployment in progress. Yeah, now we got the issue is a logic app deployment failed. Why is a failed? And you can see here, storage account integration done. That is a clearly existing storage account only showing, and it's a logic app or function app is a part of web app. That means Microsoft dot web and server forms under that only. So it's a kind of like that, and that's the reason it's a that plan is a created. Okay, but what about this actual logic app is a failed? What is the actual issue here? So if you click on here, and it's saying that creation of the storage file share failed with the remote server, return an error 403 forbidden. Forbidden error, storage account is a accessible. So here accessible access the storage account, it's a getting the issue. So what might be the issue? How to rectify it? Okay, so let's go to that particular storage account. Okay, this is not deployed, sorry. And go to the all services, adjusting storage account. This is not properly, responded, and we are getting the issue. Okay, it's a container, it's a file share, it will create it. If I'm going to file share, it's trying to create a one file share, but it's not able to responded. What might be the issue? So networking related. So, okay, this is a storage account, not over the internet, not over the internet. Enable from all networks. Enable from all the networks. It's a disable. That means it's not disable. That option is a we are not selected. We selected the enable from the selected virtual network and IP address. So here firewall is available due to that function app when is trying to over the internet and not able to reach out to the this cloud Patashala function app related storage account, and due to that we got the issue. Okay, so how to deploy it? When deploying the logic app only we require. Okay, so I'm going to show you logic app. I will try to deploy it. How to deploy, I can show you guys. So here I'm trying to deploy again, same thing, and cloud Padashala L app. I'm providing same name. Same name is not available because of it's already utilized it, and I will give the 01 in this scenario. Okay, East US and standard only. Adjusting it's like plan it's a taken. It's not creating new plan here. Okay, good. And the next hosting and adjusting storage account only again selected, and I'm going to click on create in the networking. Okay, people will think it's okay, we can try to integrate the virtual network. Okay, virtual network is enough? No. So coming to enable VNet integration on. Again, outbound request is a subnet. Outbound subnet is a that default subnet where is a service endpoint is available. The same subnet we selected here. Okay, next monitoring, I don't want application insights, and click on no. And again I'm trying to create it, guys. Let's see is now this time it's going to deploy it or not. So how that issue will it's a rectify or not, we'll look into that. So hopefully issue will occur, and again we'll get the same issue, I hope. Let's see is in case of there is no issue, well and good. In case of issue, how to rectify also, we'll look into that again. So let's wait for, it won't take much time because of already function app like storage account is already available, as well as service plan is already available, and only logic app needs to be deployed it, and only integration part is needs to be perform it. That is also, it won't take much time. And you can see here outbound subnet deployment, that is the only thing. It's additionally here it's a creating. Okay, let's see is a issue will fix or not. Again we got the same issue, and you can see here again we got the same issue, operation failed. And what is the issue? Creation of the storage file share failed with the failed. So we are getting the issue, same issue, guys. And creation of the storage file share failed with the remote server, returned error 403 forbidden. Again we are getting same issue, but we already integrate the same, that subnet already integrated, but why we are getting same issue? So that logic app not able to route the traffic. So in this scenario, how we can rectify the issue? Again I'm trying to deploy it. I will show you how to, I will rectify that issue. So I'm selecting same thing, nothing changes, guys. Again, same process I'm doing, little bit change. Patashala Shala L app 01. Okay, it's already taken. That's the reason it's saying that. Okay, 02 I'm trying to, and the East US same again is a Windows plan, that service plan we are taken, and hosting. And now I'm selecting the cloud Patashala function, same storage account again. And networking, here it's on, and it's VNet. Again is service endpoint, like enable the VNet integration. and same subnet I'm selecting, nothing changes. And monitoring, and here I don't want the application inside, again click on no. And review and created. Let's wait guys, and because of I'm going to changes. What changes after review and create, what changes I can show you here. So here download a template for automation, click on download a for template automation. Nothing changes here guys. Again here try to understand, it's I'm trying to click on deploy. There is an option called deployed. Deploy option, I'm going to use it guys. So click on deploy, and I'm getting the template is a creation wise. Again, edit template. There is an option called edit template. Click on, and I'm getting the ARM template. In this template, you can observe here that file share. It's going to create it. So this is a website containerized file connection string, and website content share content share. This is actually file share is going to create. Under this file share only, that logic app related content is going to store it, that runtime and all the things it's going to store under this only. So actually it's a trying to create it, and we are not getting. So first of all I will try to create a, this is a file share, and I will take it the duplicate window, duplicate tab, and the login. So let's wait for and click on home. This is a storage account. In this storage account, I will go to the file shares, file share, and I will provide that file share name. What exactly in the template we are getting, same name I'm going to use it here, and review and create it. Instead of before that backup, I don't want backup. Unselect the backup and review and create it. This is a one thing guys. Okay, good. File share is a created. So confirm here file share is a created with the same name. And other than that, there is a one more change we should do it. That is the one here, application settings, environment variable and application settings. Generally it's available under function app and logic app. Those things we have to change it. So what we need to specify it, logic app, don't go via internet, try to communicate the file share and don't store it on that. So how to communicate it? So we are going to specify it website content over VNet, over VNet. Okay. So here I'm specifying. Before that, I will copy paste it. This is a, you can observe guys, what is exactly properties. Which properties? Application settings properties, app settings. This properties, one more property I'm going to add it. One more property I'm going to add it, comma, enter, and provide it. And it's a here same copy and paste it. This is a one website content or VNet. This is a one. I'm going to paste it, and this is a value. I'm going to change it to 1. Okay, this is a one thing we need to change it because of we are defining so that network traffic over the VNet to try to communicate it. Okay, these two changes I did it. Next, save, and which resource group we need to select it. And don't worry, here it's a region is a East US2 we are getting. It's a no worries, but actually deployment is a East US only because of based on resource group, it's showing that location. That's it. It won't do any other thing. Okay, review and create it. Nothing changes, guys. I'm doing through portal only. I'm trying to deploy. What we face the issues, I'm trying to rectify and trying to deploy the logic app. Same applicable for function app also, guys. Same procedure. There is no changes at all. Same procedure you can follow, and accordingly you can do it. So these are the Microsoft given documentation related. Before that, okay, click on okay, nothing. And here, this is a documentation application settings references. App setting reference. This is a application settings reference. It's a very useful, guys. And this is a I'm following Microsoft documentation only. And right now I'm trying to deploy again. Now it should be work. It should be work. Let's see is a it will get the failed or it will resolve the issue. So definitely it's going to work and we'll get the logic app without any issue. So let's wait, guys, because of it won't take much time. Yes, it's a deployment in progress still. Let's wait for things. So if you like my videos, like you want more videos, and please like, subscribe, and like, and follow my channel, and you can share with your friends also. And now you can see, guys, and Logic App is a deployment completed successfully. And here, this is a deployment succeeded. Just refresh it because of portal. So portal is a, you can see here. Logic app is a deployed successfully, guys, and you can see so that Logic app service plan as well as runtime version also it will show to us. Just wait for because of little bit slow, definitely. Where is the app settings? I can go to configuration and I can show you here. Just a minute, it's a loading. Definitely, it's a little bit time. It will take it. At least a fraction of seconds or at least 1 minute it will take time to load. Yes, you can see, guys, this is a one and website content over vnet. So show values and you can see here, and even it's a storage account related also, Azure web job storage. If you click on which storage it's utilizing, we can understand it's this logic app or function app, it's utilizing which storage account. And this is the way integration it's happen background. Okay, so other than that, one more it's I'm going to show you. This is a already function app. This function app, when I'm trying to like show you some scenario wise issues, I will explain here. And create a function. If I'm trying to create a function under function app, this is a function app, you can see. And HTTP trigger, and it's created, and it's routed here, and code and test. And you can observe the issues, guys. Similar this type of issues, how to fix it. Azure function runtime is unreachable. It's a disappear, and it's a run css, and it's after that it's a code is showing, and you can select the file system logs because of it's not integrated with the application insights, and test and run. And okay, if I'm going to run, generally it will give the output is a Azure. But here we'll get the error is a finded internal server error. Why we are getting the error? Why? So this type of issue also, it's a, even if you go back, and it's a, generally it will show you what are the functions we created here. It will show to us here in this. So in this place we'll get it, that functions. Yes, we are. It's not showing here. Not at all. Nothing is just showing here. That means there is a issue. So how to rectify that issue? So might be some other times it will show to error message here also. So here also it will show to us, guys, that is a issue is the storage account related. Some storage is not accessible, or might be it's a, it will show you to you runtime error. Runtime version is a error. Instead of showing the this is a runtime, it will show to us as a error. So what might be the issue? These two, like when creating the function app, it's internally it's not able to communicate it, as well as internal server error, as well as storage account it will show to us, or runtime version error it will show to us. These are the errors what I got in real time, and here those errors how to rectify it. So for these all those things is a single one solution, guys. That is a solution is a called this is a storage account related and network related only. And I will go back to configuration, and from this place we can see the that configuration. Just a minute, and you can see, guys, show values, and which storage account is communicating. Click on, and again cloud Pathshala function app only. But actually, it's a there is any website content over the over VNet. It's available. That configuration, nothing is available. I can show you. So due to that, okay, we can understand. Okay, this is the traffic is trying to communicate over the internet. It's not like private network through. It's not trying to communicating. That is a issue. Okay, again, how to create it? So same thing. I'm trying to copy and go to here, new application settings, and I can provide the name and value is a 1 and okay. This is a enough? No. VNet integration also important. VNet integration we didn't. In this networking, we have to perform the VNet integration. Go to the networking, and here virtual network integration, click on. So add virtual network integration. And one more thing, guys, VNet integration, it support only that particular subscription of the VNet only. It won't support the other subscription of VNet. But right now you can see already that subnet is already, VNet integration happened through the logic app. Due to that, again, same subnet, we can't use it. We should create a one more subnet and integrate the this function up to that particular subnet and VNet integration. After that, issue will disappear, guys. After that, issue will disappear. So this is a way we can rectify the function app related issues or logic app related issues, guys. These are quite these are the different issues generally we'll get it. So other than that, if you face any problems, please comment below, and you can provide the information so that we'll look into that. And even you can share your knowledge here that how is what is the issue, how you rectify it. So that is a really helpful, guys. Thank you, and we'll meet next video.